Hey homeowners, this is Bianca for your favorite channel, MF Home TV. Let's all be honest here. Raise your hands if you've ever dreamed of a luxurious life, driving an expensive car and then coming home to your more expensive house. I don't see your hands, but I know that we've all been there, and I'm so sorry that I can't make you win the lottery with a snap of a finger, but living the luxe life is within our grasp and we don't even know it. What if I told you that you can make your space look expensive without spending all your money? Okay, I kind of sound like those people who are like networking. It's not anything like that, I promise you. Well, for me, I don't mind riding the public transportation as long as I know that I'm coming home to a house that is amazing. There's just something about coming home to a nice place that takes away all the stress of the day, right? Decorating is expensive, yes, but by carefully choosing and styling the right pieces for your house, you can make it look quite fancy. So watch this episode. First, we need a huge rug. Since the rugs we have are still not large enough for our style, we can always get two of them and place them beside each other to create an illusion of one massive rug that fills the whole room. This automatically makes the room feel spacious, and once your room feels bigger, it will feel more expensive. Now that the rugs are in place, let's add the sofa. It doesn't matter what kind of sofa you're choosing as long as they have rich colors that will pop in your living room, like this purple one. We also chose purple for the reason that it's the color of royalty. Okay, we have the sofa, we have the rug, it's time to add furniture, my favorite part. Choose furniture either with metal finishes or metallic in material, especially gold. I mean, like, it's gold. Even if it's fake, it's still, you know, gold. Anyways, the shine of these furnitures will make your room glamorous and edgy. Also, get large-scale art. When they're oversized, they grab attention. This instantly makes your space feel fancy. That's why when we visit an art museum, we immediately think of it as a very posh and sophisticated space. Please also incorporate texture. Incorporate diverse materials like glass, wood, velvet, leather, metal, even woven materials. Rule of thumb, it's always better to have the room looking coordinated and collected versus choosing to match everything and buying the whole collection. Don't make your space uniform. That's boring. Let's also go green, and we don't mean money, but plants and flowers, be it artificial or alive. Place them in pretty vases. It will surely improve the look of your living room. Ta-da! It's affordable home decor and the space doesn't even look like it. Guys, it's all in the tricks. All you need is an eye for design and style and a place where you can find budget-friendly home decor and furniture. Mandawi Foam. What do you guys think? Comment it below and hit the subscribe button. And of course, give us that thumbs up. Once again, this is Bianca for MF Home TV, inspiring your home. Get a chance to win this week's prize. Driving a fancy car. Oh, sorry, madam.
Coming home.
Kayo kasi, sorry, yun ang joke.